Hey, good afternoon, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I'll do a video walkthrough on this Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. Year model's a 2023. She has roughly 65 hours on her 300 V8s. Very, very nicely equipped boat. I'm sure you've already noticed by now it's got the sea deck throughout. Stepping under the sunshade. It's electric retractable. Down, I got battery selector switches, shelves on the bottom with tow rail underneath. Over on the port side, got a dive ladder, 2 fish boxes on either side. Very nice bilge slash basement with batteries. Everything in, flip up aft seat. Upholstery's in great shape. Live well back here. Storage underneath the seat. Ice it uses a cooler. Got a grill here, refrigerator, optional cockpit table. Storage underneath the base of this flip-flop seat. Coming over to port here, got nice Verado electronics. Mercury vessel view. Chart plotter, sounder up, Sunrod VHF radio. This boat is equipped with optional joystick piloting. Boat's bottom painted kept in a wet slip. And today we had her running high 40s, touched on 50 miles an hour with the 300s. Again, just want to show you the upholstery is in great shape. Garage there, or excuse me, glove box. Pop up shade the bow real quick. Bow table. Does have the filler cushion to turn this into a sun pad. And then underneath that compartment is your anchor windlass and your bow boarding ladder, which is optional. Really nice feature for most areas. For our area, you can pull up, nose up to the sandbar, have a place to hang out. Optional bow sunshade mounts to those clips, and then the rods go in there. The rod holders turn this area into a sun pad. It is equipped with the optional bow and cockpit table as well. Very loaded boat. Guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about this Boston Whaler 2023 Vantage, again, roughly 65 hours, please give me a call. My cell is the best way to reach me, 910-264-4818. Oh yeah, let me just show you this bathroom. The head, I've got the covers stowed away in there, but got some sea deck. Synthetic floor down below, vacuum flush head, sink. Boat is equipped with shore power, 30 amp service coming in to charge batteries, and there's your main controls and the inverter for the grill. Thanks again for taking your time. We'll talk to you soon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.